How to use Microsoft Copilot with Microsoft Excel? This is what I'm going to show you. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Master the Cloud with Ease. In today's video, we are going to delve into the game-changing world of Microsoft Copilot in Excel. Are you ready to boost your productivity and master Excel skills like a pro? Then stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss anything. During this video, I will show you tips, tricks, and a complete walkthrough in the world of Microsoft Copilot with Microsoft Excel, and in the end, I will give you some tips to make Copilot work better. Are you ready? Let's explore what is Microsoft Copilot. Imagine having a personal assistant right inside Excel. Someone who can help you crunch numbers, create professional charts, and even automate complex tasks. This is exactly what Copilot is. Copilot is powered by AI and integrated seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools, which makes it a must-have for anyone working with data. However, in simple terms, Microsoft Copilot is here to make your life easier by understanding your natural language comments and converting them into actions within Excel. Let's discuss the first thing. How do you actually access Copilot in Excel? If you are using a Microsoft 365 subscription, chances are you already have access to Copilot. Make sure your Excel is updated to the latest version. If you don't have access, you just have to register on Microsoft website and choose the type of account you want to use between a personal account and a business account. Once your Excel is up to date, open any workbook and look for the Copilot sheet. It usually pops up on the right-hand side. If it's not visible, don't worry. Just click the Copilot icon in the toolbar and here you go. Let's explore some real-world examples to see how Copilot can transform your workflow. Example 1. Analyzing data. Imagine you've got a sales dataset and need to summarize the monthly sales performance. Instead of manually creating pivot tables or formulas, just ask Copilot. Within seconds, Copilot will generate a summary, complete with key insights, and even suggest visualizations. If we talk about some advanced features, suppose you are dealing with thousands of rows of messy data. Copilot can help you clean it up for you. You can type something like highlight duplicates and then type organize by highest revenue, and Copilot will do the job for you. No need for manual sorting or any kind of filtering. It just doesn't stop there. Copilot can create advanced formulas too. Suppose just type calculate the year-over-year growth rate for this column, and voila, watch it do its magic. Copilot has made visualization made easy. Data visualization can be intimidating, but Copilot handles it like a pro. Let's say you want a professional-looking chart comparing sales by country. You can simply type create a line chart comparing sales by country, and Copilot will generate it instantly. You want to try? Go ahead. Copilot gives you a formatting suggestion to make the chart presentation ready. No more fiddling with styles and color for hours. One of my favorite things about Copilot is how it handles repetitive tasks. Whether it's generating invoices, automating calculations, or even creating complex macros, Copilot has your back. Collaboration is another area where Copilot shines. Need to share insights with your team? Ask Copilot to summarize key points in a comment or even draft an email explaining the findings from your data. This makes communication seamless and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Now, Let's talk about one of the coolest aspects of Copilot: customization. Did you know that you can tailor its responses and actions to better suit your workflow? For example, if you regularly work with a specific set of data formats, you can teach Copilot your preferences. Just type in something like "format all dollar values as currency with 2 decimal points," and it will remember that setting for future tasks. This feature is especially useful for professionals working with financial or operational data where consistency is key. Another game-changing feature of Copilot is its ability to handle predictive analytics. Let's say you want to forecast sales for the next quarter based on your current data trends. Instead of manually calculating average or growth rates, you can simply ask Copilot, "Create a sales forecast for the next 3 periods." It will generate a projection using advanced algorithm and even provide a confidence interval. This is perfect for strategizing and making data-driven decisions without needing advanced statistical skills. Let's switch gears to budget management. Whether you're managing a household budget or a corporate one, Copilot can simplify the process. For instance, you can ask, "Create a monthly budget breakdown using my expenses and highlight areas where I exceeded my budget." Within seconds, Copilot generates instructions to explain how you can implement this. It's like having a teacher working with you. Here's something you might not have considered. Copilot is also a fantastic learning tool. If you're new to Excel or want to master advanced features, simply use Copilot as your tutor. Ask questions like, "How do I use a VLOOKUP formula to find matching data?" or "Explain how to use pivot tables," and it will provide step-by-step guidance. Think of it as a built-in mentor that makes learning Excel much less intimidating. Here are some pro tips to make the most out of Copilot. Be specific. The clearer your instructions, the better the results. Instead of saying, "Make a chart," try something like, "Create a bar chart showing sales growth by region." Start small. Test simple commands like creating formulas or basic charts to get comfortable. Explore templates. Copilot often suggests templates for tasks like budgets or project plans. Don't hesitate to try them out. They can save you tons of time. Use it for learning. New to Excel? Use Copilot as a learning tool. Ask it to explain formulas or show you how to use specific functions. Some of you might be wondering, what if Copilot doesn't understand my request? Well, don't worry. Just rephrase your question, and if it's still not working, check if your dataset is formatted correctly. Copilot works best with clean, organized data. Microsoft Copilot is just the beginning. With ongoing updates and AI improvements, the future of Excel and how we interact with data looks brighter than ever. Imagine a world where Excel not only helps you analyze data, but predict trends and offers solutions proactively. We're headed there, and Copilot is leading the way. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Microsoft Copilot in Excel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity hacks. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, try Copilot in Excel and let me know in the comments how it's transforming your workflow. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.